Hi, so I've got one of my usual suspects here, so Sam from Coptrz, and Coptrz have massively helped out because they cover such a broad spectrum of the small UAS sort of opportunity within the UK from a commercial side and from a professional side. So we had a load of their team down. They were doing flying drones, they were doing mapping, they were doing lessons. It was super awesome to have them down here as well. Sam, mate, how's it gone today for you?
Yeah, really good, really good. Firstly, it's been good to put names to faces of people that we've spoken to on a wide range of stuff, and actually meet them in person and say hello, and thanks for the conversation we've had. But the main thing for me has been being able to display that a drone is no longer just an eye in the sky that you bang in the air and fly around, because we've been able to show the mapping capability, we've been able to show the tactical internal capability, and sort of the stable of solutions around that product. So building that out and almost making it a tangible story, not just an item off the shelf. And seeing people understand that, for me, that's been the most important thing today, I'd say.
Yeah, I think that's been really important. I mean, the main effort from today was helping the end users understand what the art of the possible was, and when they were looking at this problem space and going, well, we want to use a drone, and go, well, why do you want to use a drone, and then what does that all mean? How do you build in the element to support it? What do you add to the drone? How do you create something that's really useful for the end users? So I think that's come out massively, and it's been great having you guys along.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for having us and organising it, and it's been fantastic day, and hoping for more of these to come in the future.
Spot on. Cheers, Sam. Thanks.
Thanks a lot.